Good afternoon. Welcome to this edition of Tax Talk with Brother Juan. Good to see y'all online this afternoon. Was sick earlier in the week. Excuse me, I'm still a little down, but I feel so much better than I did yesterday. Yesterday morning especially. So good to see y'all. Good to be feeling better. So I guess what I am doing, and I didn't plan this, but it works out fine for me, and that's talking about Black Friday this week. So we talked about Black Friday yesterday with Biz Talk with Brother Juan. We've got a Black Friday topic today, and we're going to have another one tomorrow. And so maybe next week we'll do Cyber Monday and talk about some things having to do with that. So let's go ahead and begin. Let me introduce myself. I am Brother Juan P. Barrientos II. I am the owner of Next Step Financial Partners, Tax and Accounting. I help life coaches, consultants, course creators, solopreneurs increase revenue by an average of 30% with financial accounting and tax planning so that you can empower your clients to achieve their goals, grow your business, and fulfill your purpose. Biz Talk and Tax Talk with Brother Juan is designed to help you navigate your biz to be more profitable. And so today, we're talking about using Black Friday deals as a tax deduction as coaches, consultants, course creators, solopreneurs. And this applies really to any business, any service-based business. So we spend money. Right? We spend money. Just think about what are some things that you need in your business right now. Maybe it's time to replace that old computer, laptop, desktop, whatever, that printer. Maybe it's time to upgrade some things, some electronics in your office, a new TV. Maybe you've been thinking about getting more coaching, getting more training for yourself. Maybe that's been on your mind. And what about software? So just looking at myself, I don't really have any electronics that I need to upgrade. I have been wondering about upgrading to Windows 11. I've been debating on whether to go ahead and do that now or do that later. I've been having an issue with my computer. It's been dragging. It's been going slow. I think I should probably upgrade the video card. So maybe that's something that I can begin looking at. I got the memory pretty much maxed out from when I bought the computer earlier this year. It has maybe 8 times the memory it did when I bought it. So I thought that would help with the speed, but not necessarily so. Training, I've been looking at one particular training course for myself. And so I've been waiting for Black Friday to come along so I can take advantage of hopefully a deal. And then software is so interesting. I know when I first started, full-time, year-round firm, I was not that interested in software, but software has enabled me to be more efficient. And so I'm constantly looking for software that can help me be even more efficient. And one thing about software is there's a monthly subscription on a lot of software, or they give you an annual discount. But when Black Friday rolls around, sometimes they give you even a better discount. So I'm looking to maybe pay up some of my software for the year, taking advantage of Black Friday. And so that would reduce my expenses ultimately. And that's not even what I was going to talk about, but that's one way to reduce the expense is take advantage of deals for stuff you're going to have to pay anyway. And so when you think about Black Friday deals, a question that may come to your mind is, what can I deduct? And for a business expense to be deductible, it has to be both ordinary and necessary. An ordinary expense is one that is common and acceptable in your trade of business. So you got advertising, marketing, you have utilities, you have supplies. There's some things that are general for every business, and then there may be some that are ordinary for your specific industry. And so I really can't think of anything that comes to mind except for like with coaches, consultants, course creators, solopreneurs, getting additional coaching and using that as a business expense to focus on business coaching or leadership development type of coaching. As long as it's not personal, as long as there is a business aspect to it and it's applicable to your business and it's a business expense. And so that could be ordinary. Also, it has to be necessary. A necessary expense is one that is helpful and appropriate for your trade of business. And so it has to make sense in essence. And so if your purchases meet these requirements, you can use Black Friday deals as a business expense, and then it becomes a tax deduction for your business. And in essence, it reduces your taxable income because it becomes a business expense if you are in business. So let's talk about our Black Friday deal, or at least one of our Black Friday deals here at Next Step Financial Partners. One thing I wanted to do, and if you know me, if you've been in contact with me, if you have ever reached out to me, one thing about me is I like to help. I like to make a difference. And let me say this, it's not just about the money, but I am in business, so I have to make money. But some things I do without even thinking about charging, just to be a blessing to somebody else, just to serve. And so if you've been struggling with your bookkeeping all year, whether the struggle has been getting your bookkeeping done or the struggle is you haven't been doing it at all, And maybe you want to start 2022 off on a solid foundation. And so what we're going to do is have a bare bones bookkeeping offer for Black Friday. And so if you need to track your income and expenses, if you need to reclaim the time you spend on bookkeeping each and every month so that you can focus on what really matters, if you are ready to outsource with a professional and trusted firm, then I invite you to get on our emailing list so that you don't miss the announcement. And so with what I'm offering, and I'm still kind of putting the details of the offer together, but what I'm offering is, again, bare bones bookkeeping, the opportunity for you to outsource. I know one of the biggest barriers for a lot of service-based providers that I come in contact with is they really don't know if they can afford it. And the fact that you don't know whether or not you can afford bookkeeping emphasizes the importance of why you should begin thinking about outsourcing it. And so it becomes an investment. And again, I wanted to give back. So this is like a bare bones offer. This is to really just take it off of your plate. And this will allow you to get everything focused, get everything structured, know what's going on in your business, know your numbers, and ultimately it's going to pay for itself. In 3 to 4 months, it's going to pay for itself. You're going to be so much better. You're going to have a better grasp of what's going on in your business. And then you can make the decision of whether to upgrade bookkeeping services with us. And so this is like an entry level, something I've been thinking about for a while. And so the thing about it is there are very limited spots, very limited spots. This is not something that I am going to continue to offer. So there are very limited spots for this Black Friday offer on bookkeeping, and the early bird or the early birds will get the better deal. And so it's incremental. So when the announcement goes off, when it is released for the public to buy, first come, first serve on the pricing. And so there's going to be different price levels, same service, but the earlier you secure the service, the cheaper it's going to cost. And so this is a way for me to kind of give back and also allow you to start 2022 off on a solid foundation. And so to get on our emailing list, you can download our free eGuide. Our free guide is for the self-employed. If you're a coach, consultant, course creator, solopreneur, if you are part of the gig economy, our free eGuide is designed to reduce the tax time stress. So you'll find tips and tips and tricks for the underemployed, for the self-employed. We have tips about how to choose a tax preparer and getting ready to file those taxes, because that's right around the corner. We'll give you 12 of the best tax deductions in our eGuide and 2 of the best ways to lower your taxes. Also, if you're self-employed, we lay out business deductions and also 5 legal tax loopholes for you to take advantage of in this free guide. I think the eGuide is 20-something pages long altogether. And so you can download it today for free. There's a link associated with this video, and that will put you on our emailing list so that you will get the announcement for our Black Friday deal, at least one that I'm talking about right now, and there will be others. And so, again, thank you for tuning in. When I introduce myself, sometimes I forget to tell y'all everything. But again, I'm Brother Juan, Next Step Financial Partners. I hold a bachelor's degree in business management, a master's degree in accounting and financial management. And so we look forward to continuing coming to you. Again, we're going to talk about Black Friday tomorrow as well. Next week, Tuesday and Thursday, Biz Talk with Brother Juan, 9 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. Tax Talk with Brother Juan, Wednesday at 1 p.m. We're going to be talking about Cyber Monday deals, taking advantage of those deals, offering those deals for Cyber Monday next week. And then we'll talk about Black Friday again tomorrow with Biz Talk with Brother Juan. And so you can use these Black Friday deals for things that you need in your business. And as long as they meet the qualifications of being ordinary and necessary, then it is a business deduction. That business deduction reduces your taxable income and then ultimately reduces the tax that you pay. So y'all have a good day. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to drop them in the comment section. And I will definitely see those and get back with you. And if you need us, just feel free to reach out to us anytime. So we'll just end it right there. Y'all have a great Wednesday, and we will see you next time.